Designed for intensive training, the Rubino Pro IV G 2.0 is equally suitable for racing events. High-endurance bicycle tires for optimal road performance. Casing. Nylon 150 TPI for high-mileage 3 compounds in the tread for increased wear life and better rolling. Upgraded Rubino Pro IV road tire substitutes a folding bead material for reduced weight. Rubino Pro IV road bike tires are all-rounder for any condition. Functionalized Graphene 2.0 compound allows for increased wet grip and control suitable for any season or weather condition. This road bike tire builds on the standard Rubino platform, utilizing the same exclusive 3C graphene compound structure, long service life, puncture protection, and sharp handling traits. Vittoria is the official tire of USA Cycling. Tire choice of professional riders in the peloton. Winner of Tour de France, Giro d'Italia, Vuelta a España, Classics, World Championships, European Championships and Olympic Games. Top reviews from the United States. Like a glove. I've pulled out so many thorns from these tires after a riding, they protect the tube. I have run these to the tread without a single dismounting of them once and still have the same tube. They are the day savers, time savers, money savers and life savers. There is a small strip for protection right down the center, perfect for riding over glass and small pieces of whatever the heck that small thread of wire came from. Throw these on and never look back type of guarantee. They should pay me for this well-written review by the way. But they don't, that's how you know it's good.